So Derek, it sounds like you put in your application to work for tribal housing.
Yeah,
That's great.
but I didn't get an interview. My cousin said it's probably because I don't have a driver's license yet and I don't have the skills that they wanted, so now I don't know what I'm gonna do.
So after you submitted your application, I reached out to Jim at Tribal Housing, and it sounds like he's still interested in the on-the-job training placement. I know you'd signed the release so that I was able to talk to him. I think that'll give us some time so that you can set up a payment plan. General assistance can help you, and then I can also help pay for the reinstatement fees.
Oh, good.
So you can work on getting your license back.
Yeah.
Then this on-the-job training, it could also help give you some of those skills that we talked about, like the roofing thing. We talked about that during our first meeting. So maybe we can just give them a call today and see if we can get through this agreement and go from there.
Yeah, all right. I would still love to work there.
Great, I'll give them a call. Hi, this is Jamie. I've got Derek here with me, and we're interested in continuing the conversation about the on-the-job training placement. It'll help him decide, and then you decide if it's going to be a good fit for him. And as you know, he's really skilled, he's really motivated. He just had a few barriers, and I think we both talked about how we can address those during this on-the-job training time. Great. Well, he does have good references from the community, so he's been working as a handyman. And it sounds like the maintenance supervisor is interested. Sounds like if the interview goes well, you can have him start right away. Great. And if he's completing the on-the-job training, can you tell me how long it's going to take for him to be trained on the roofing and the other skills? Okay, you think 2 months is enough. Okay, I'm going to put that here, and the dates would be from May 19th to July 18th. And of course, we'd be paying you to train him, and then you can track the skills that he's getting on his timesheet. I'll put these skills here. It's going to take 1 month to train on skills for repairing roofs, and about 8 weeks total to get him up to date on the codes and the safety. You were going to look into if there were any additional tools or supplies that he needed. Did you come up with anything? Okay, so a hard hat, I'll put that here. Gloves, we hadn't thought about that. Okay. I know you were also a little bit concerned about him showing up to work on time, so we'll be sure to put that into his evaluation. Was there anything else? Oh yeah, his license. Well, Derek's working on that. He's getting an occupational license, and it should be ready to go and in place in time. Okay, great. Yeah, I'll print this out and I'll have Derek sign it, and then I'll send it back over to you for your signature. Okay, thanks. So Derek, what do you think? Is this gonna be good?
Yeah, I'm ready to go to work. Woohoo!